Welcome back, children, once again. This is Ansu here. In the first chapter, we studied about evolution of computers, how the computers came into being and what were the different generations of computers, right? Today, let's move on to the next chapter, memory and storage devices. In this presentation or module, I would like to talk about storage devices, memory, and higher units of memory. The first thing that I would like to discuss today is storage devices. Storage devices hold and store data for current and future use. That means storage devices are devices that are used to store data for present use, that is for now or current use, or for a later purpose or future use. All computers have some sort of storage unit in order to work properly. Any computers that you take, let it be a laptop, a desktop, whatever it may be, you have to have a storage unit to make it work properly. Every storage device has a fixed capacity to store data. Any device you take, it can be a mobile, it can be a computer, whatever you take, it will have a fixed capacity for storage. Memory helps the device or computer to store data, instructions, and information. The memory that you're talking about in a computer or a mobile is used for storing the data that you have given, the instructions for processing the data, and after it is processed, the information that you need to get at the end will be given and stored in the memory. Now, I would like to talk about data, instructions, and information. The input that you give to the computer, which can be facts, figures, or words, are considered as the data in a computer system. Once the data enters the computer, the commands that tells the computer how to work on the data is called the instruction. That is, the commands that you give the computer to process the given data is called instructions. Once the data is processed and the output is given to us, the result or output given by the computer is called information. That is, the output that you get at the end after processing is the information. Now, let's talk about memory. Data in memory is stored in the form of digits 0 and 1. You know that the computer system uses the binary number system, that is, it has only two digits 0 and 1. So it is called a binary number system. These digits are called binary digits or bits. The numbers 0 and 1 used by the computer system to take in the data and process it is the binary number system, and it consists of only two digits 0 and 1, and each digit is called a bit. A bit is the smallest unit of memory. It is the smallest unit of memory. The memory of a storage device is measured in a specific unit. This unit is called byte. It is denoted by the letter capital B. That is, you already studied in the previous slide, the memory allotted for each device is fixed, and each memory is denoted by a specific unit called byte, and it is denoted by capital B. Each byte consists of 8 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits of data. Now, let's talk about the higher units of memory. We already talked about bit and byte in the previous slide, right? Now let's talk about the higher ones. I have listed them below in a chart and it has three columns. First one is for the unit, the second one is what it is denoted by, and the last one is what is it equal to. Byte, denoted by capital B. You know that 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. The next one is kilobyte, which is denoted by KB, capital KB. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. The next one is megabyte or MB. 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte. The next one in the series is gigabytes, which is denoted by GB. 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte. The last one in the series is terabyte, TB. 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabyte. There are even higher units of memory than this, but for now, let's study up to terabytes. Now we have come to the end of today's presentation. Today we learned about what is a storage device, what is a memory, and what are the higher units of memory. Please go through this and understand the concept. Thank you.